So I did some further testing and discovered things are a little bit different and don't require quite as many steps. In this browser I'm looking at here, I've already watched this video. I've already enabled closed captions, so of course when the student goes to watch it, or the user goes to watch it, it will play showing the captions, even though ARC does not recognize that those captions are there. In this other browser window, this is again Chrome, I am in a incognito session, so this student has logged in, hasn't yet watched this video in YouTube. When they watch it inside ARC, of course the captions aren't recognized, and then when they start watching the video the captions don't appear. I did some fiddling with the link though, however, and if I hover my mouse over just the right place there, the student can select the link, open in a new browser tab in YouTube. In this example here, I need to wait for the ad to play or that I can skip it. Now I'm watching that video again, I can hit caption to turn on captions. And then when I close that tab, refresh Canvas, the captions finally appear.